Okay, friends, here's part 2. I'm in another section of the botanical garden. So this is more on Filipino-Chinese friendship garden. Okay, so I'll show you my face. So it's real me. Okay, guys, so I'll tour you around. What happened? Okay, sorry about that. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry, tao lang po. Nice one, Daisy. That's why I had to speak in English at some point because we have partners from Africa. They may not be able to go with me live now because they're asleep at this time. But when they see this video, so I hope they appreciate. So my leaders are some from Lagos, from Abuja, in Nigeria. And then also we have some friends and partners in Thailand. Hello mga partners sa Thailand. Kapkun ka. And in Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. So for the we have here the zodiac signs. Ayan, sinong year of the tiger. But for me, ayun ako, year of the pig. They say for the year of the pig, it's the quantity that counts, not the quality. But now I'm trying to improve the quality of my photography, so bear with me. I promise. I will improve. There you are. I'm still awaiting my camera kasi kaya ayan, bear with this camera for now. But I love this. Even if I go online with Zoom, I don't need a speaker because the volume is so and very clear. Okay. So year of the panda, there you are. It's so nice here. So you can see there are a lot of tourists. Ay, I'm sorry. Ayan. I became an eyesore. I'll just follow the trail towards the cave. Alright. Okay, I'll tour you around more. I am wondering what happened with the cave. So,
tinuruan ko mag-picture si... Dito.
and there you are. According to the guide earlier, I just have to follow this bamboo trail and then I'll find a cave. So, mga adventurous na mga friends dyan, samahan nyo ko. Oh no, it's kind of far. Keep off the grass. Unfortunately, there's not much grass as of now. But good luck. I hope you keep on growing. So you can hear my heavy breathing because I'm trying to walk a little faster. Oh, there you are. I was looking for these little Buddhas. Okay. So this is it. So this is the Japanese theme park. Hi. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Virgie desu. Arigatou gozaimashita. Hi. Okay. Yay. So we're here at the Japanese tunnel. Would you like to maybe go there? I don't know if it is allowed. Oh, okay. So here's the typical wishing well. But unlike when you go to Japan, the wishing well there, you can drink water from the well itself. But unfortunately here, you cannot. It's full of moss. So, ayan, may Japanese tunnel. But, I'm not sure. Pwedeng pumasok. Wait. I'm actually not sure if the flashlight is going to work together with the camera. So, I don't know. Sorry ha. Sabi nga nila, the best way to learn is to just do it. But I can't find oh, there's no flashlight. Friends, wait ha. What's this? I have with me. Okay. It's kinda... There you are. Some people got into the tunnel, but I cannot. Yeah, sorry.
It's very scary.
I'm not sure if I can turn on the flashlight. Can I take the video? Oh, sorry. Wait. Sorry guys, I don't know. But anyway. Where's the flashlight? Oh, so it's not working. The flashlight does not work when you are currently taking a video. So, I remember when we were here having our tree planting activity, my kids, since they have a flashlight, they came over. And then since a lot of guests doesn't have a flashlight on them, they asked our kids to, tour them around, show them around the tunnel. So that time they earned money, some amount of money. I don't know. I know for a fact it's more than 100. So okay, I tried to show you. So that was the Japanese tunnel. That's the direction towards the Orchidarium, the Botanic Park, souvenirs, and the Philippine-Chinese friendship. So the comfort room is comfortably situated. Okay. So it was worth it. Worth the walk and the heavy breathing. Ayan. So, thank you mga manong sa magagandang tanim nyo. Meron po tayong professional na botanist talaga dito.
Wala po ma'am.
Wala. So, kayo-kayo lang na nag-aalaga ng mga tanim.
Kami na po rin naglalandscape ma'am.
Ang galing. So, ano po kayo, parang out of experience na yung nyo sa pagtatanim ninyo?
Opo ma'am, kasi almost 17 years na rin ako ito.
Ay, gano'n. Dito sa Botanical. Nag-tree planting kami, kuya, sa boundary dati. Maraming mga puno. Buhay pa kaya? May mga nakikita ba kayo?
Yes ma'am, kasi yung mga iba kasi yung mga tree planting yan ma'am, pag hindi napabayaan, pag hindi nalinisan talaga.
May time na every year pumupunta kami dito para silipin at linisan. So siguro mga 2 years consecutive na puntahan namin. Okay naman yung iba. Medyo lumaki na parang mga na.
Kasi ma'am, kasi minsan, pag hindi nasikaso yun, kakainin ng vine.
Talaga?
Vine na, kasi
Oo.
pag tinulupot ka.
Pero may way po ba papunta dun sa boundary? Maalala ko kasi parang yung Cavite, tapos dito kami sa mga niya nagtanim. As in, boundary na talaga papunta sa kabila.
Meron ma'am, yung sa
May daanan pa rin. So kung dadalawin namin,
pwede po ma'am.
Okay.
Papunta sa station of the coast yun ma'am, yung mga panagpagmira. Kasi ito buo yan, kami ng mga pine tree.
Ay, opo. Ay, sige. Pero kung halimbawa merong activity ulit na gusto namin mag-tree planting, meron pa bang area?
Yung sa may forestry po nakakalam ma'am.
Forestry, so sila din ang mag-a-assign.
Sila na po kayo nila kung ano yung pang...
Oo. Saan pong office nyo kung instead na magbisita kami? Po?
Sa set mo pa rin naman.
Sa SEP mo. Sa SEP mo kayo, sa City Hall.
Opo ma'am.
Okay. Ay, may kilala ako dun. SEP mo si si Doc? Yung malaking mama na driver ng truck ng SEP mo?
Si kung baka sinasabi Norbert? Norbert Dulay?
Oo, si Dulay. Kilala ko kasi siya as Doc. Kasama namin sa football. Regards na lang pag makita mo, sabi mo si Virgie.
Sige ma'am.
Okay. Sige po, salamat. Salamat sa pag-alaga ng mga tanim natin. So, there you are, yung mga Sepmo people. So, sila talagang nag-aalaga. Okay. Hanapin ko na yung mga kasama ko. Ay, oo, Kuya Sir Goods. Friend mo si Sir Good, si Doc Dulay. Goalkeeper ng football yan. Isa sa magagaling na goalkeeper kahit ganun kalaki ang katawan. Oh, Sir Goods, diba nag-e-enjoy ako? I'm supposed to be a tour guide for my mentor from Cebu. Pero ayan o, napahiwalay ako because I went to the cave. Ayan. So ito, I remember may ibang mga group naman na dito nag-tree planting. So, ayan, kids, mga kabataan, kung wala kayong magawa sa buhay, you go to forestry, hanap kayo ng location, or magpa-assign kayo ng location kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-tree planting. Uh-oh. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, para naman sa mga, where are they? Hello. Okay. Thank you, Sir Goods. Maganda din dyan sa office nyo dyan sa ano, athletic bowl. Ganda rin kung may mga taniman din na ganito. Oh, nice. Ayan na, mga bellflower. Asan sila? Where are you guys? Hala, sorry, tour guide ako. Ako ang nawawala. So, do not step on the flowers. Oo nga naman. If they're looking for me, they can just check my Facebook account. Coach AJ, Coach Mira, where are you? Have you gone to the shopping mall already? Okay. Let me just check. Okay, so guys, from another vantage point of view, ito ang the whole botanical garden. So, where I just came from is like a hidden garden, tapos may kuweba pa. So, if you want to come, sabagay, may flashlight ang mga cellphones. But nice. Okay. And then finally, for shopping, conveniences, there, have a shopping area. Okay, guys, so, bye. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my tour of the botanical garden. So I'm going to look for coaches, my friends from Cebu. Okay, bye-bye guys.